Okay. All right, so here's our starter problem for today. There are 8 cats laying in the sun. Okay, 8 cats. 4 more cats come to lay in the sun. How many total cats are now laying in the sun? There starts with 8, and then 4 more come. How many total cats are now laying in the sun? I want to see some kind of work. Number bond, picture. Come on, Miss Bella.
I know, Miss Barrett.
Together, so they're not taken away. Or did 4 cats leave? So it says 4 more cats come to lie in the sun. Didn't say 4 cats. What do you think? Getting 4 more cats.
Oh.
So what's your answer? Oh, up there. Okay. Good.
This is taken away.
I see you taking it.
Oh, look how he landed. Look how the bear landed.
Got 1 more minute. Good. All right, on the count of 3, I want you to whisper to me how many cats are laying in the sun. Ready? There's 12 cats laying in the sun, right? So let's talk about how we figure that out. Raise your hand to tell me if you counted on.
Me.
All right, Brayden, how did you count on? Can you walk us through your strategy?
I counted from 8 and I counted 4 more and I realized it would make it 12.
Very good. So he started with 8 in his head and he said 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When he got 4 more, he ended on 12. Did somebody do something different? Layla, what did you do?
I added 8 and then I got to the other side of my journal and then put 4 more. Drew a line across the floor and then I counted all the circles. I said 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. So Layla drew her 8 and then she drew her 4 and then she counted them all up. Did anybody make a 10?
I did.
Did you make a 10, Declan? All right. So Declan, how did you make your 10?
So I mine's gonna be somewhere.
Very good. So Declan said he drew his circles, just like we've been practicing. He drew 8, 3, 4, 5, right in a 5 group, 6, 7, 8. And then he drew 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And he said, how can I make a 10? And he said, well, if I put 2 over here, makes a 10. So we circled his 10, and now he said I have 10 plus 2. And that equals 12. 12. Very, very good, baby dolls. Yeah. So we've been practicing making a 10 with 9 and another number. Today we're going to start practicing with making 8 and another number. Okay? So I want you to leave your journals where they are. And I want you to go ahead and come onto the carpet. Yes. Because you just broke the carpet. Natalie, go. Alright. So we're going to practice with our math drawings today. So let's see, we are going to do the number sentence. I'm going to show you. I'm going to model first, okay? And then we're going to practice doing that. We'll get your whiteboards out and we'll practice doing it by ourselves together, okay? So if we're going to do 8 plus 5, I'm going to draw it in my 5 group. Remember, I'm going to draw 5 at the top and then the rest of them at the bottom. So count with me. We're going to draw 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. And on the other side, I'm going to draw 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. It's okay. You're good, Jack. Go get your tissue, baby. Alright, so I want us just to focus on my 8 right now. Right? Because 8 plus 5, we'd have to start with 8. We'd have to count on 5 more. That's going to take us a minute. It'd be a lot easier if we had a friendly number like 10. So I want you to just look right here. How many more would I need to get to 10, Bradley? 2 more. If I drew 2 more, 1, 2, that would fill up my 10 frame, right? If I had 5 on bottom, 5 on top, and that would give me 10. So I need 2 more. Where can I get those 2 from, Melvin? I didn't get it from the eye, so I'm going to circle my 10. I'm going to do it in a different color. I'm sorry, Layla. Go put those in your book bag. Go put them in your book bag because you're not paying any attention. You're swinging the necklace around. Go put it in your book bag. 5. Thank you. So we're going to take 2 from the 5 and make it a 10. So I want us to look at our groups now. In the circle is how many? 10. And I'm going to add what's left out. What's left over? 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So what is 8 plus 5? 13. It's the same, right? That's what I just did. I just turned this into this to make it a little bit easier. Okay? So that's all we're doing. Is we're just taking that 8 and we're adding 2 more, right? So we fill it up and we get to 13. Okay? Alright. If you want a whiteboard, you need to be sitting crisscross applesauce, hands in your lap. And I need, Jacob, you are my teacher helper, but you're also throwing a pencil across the room. Jacob, you may start handing out markers.
There's so much room on the carpet. Can you all smooth up? I can't even get.
Alright, ready? Let's see. Bella's ready for a whiteboard. Ready. Ready. Ready, Freddie. Ready. Start passing around.
Smart on the carpet. If you need a green eraser, give me one.
Just go get your tissue and clean that up, Jack.
Oh, I got a green one. I got a green eraser.
Alright, let's see who else is ready. Oh, my girls back here are ready. Thank you, girls. Daddy, you're ready too. Thank you, girls. Bobby, you're ready.
Here, give that to Lily. I don't want to have. I think they want to.
Ava's ready.
No. Give that to you.
Jacob, I'm going to turn right there, man.
Miss Mary, can I put my? Give me that brown one. I don't have.
Don't work. Let's see, do you have one? Layla, turn around. Layla, turn around. Layla, turn around. It's okay, just use one. There you go. got no. You get what you get and you don't get your pet. Bobby, you know that. Jacob, you got that one. She's already got one. There you go. Ready? Alright, who said they need a marker? Alright, you ready for your next one? Okay, so we're going to practice. I'm going to do this one with you. And then the next ones I'm going to kind of let you go on your own, okay? So let's do the next one. I'm going to start with 8. Ready? And this time we're going to do 8 plus 3. So the first thing we need to do is we need to draw our two groups. We need to draw 8 and 3. So ready? Let's draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3. 2, 3. Good job, baby. Manuel, we don't have time to do all that. You're not going to have room. Alright, let's look at our two groups. I have 8 and I have 3. Looking at my 8, how many more do I need to make a 10, Miss Haley? I need 2. Now, Miss Layla, where can I get my 2 from?
From 3.
From the 3. So let's circle 2 and the 3 and make it with our 8 so that we get a 10. And then let's look at our new groups and write a new number sentence.
Since I put the 3 under there, I just put like that.
That'll work, baby. What? How many circles are in our circle? How many are in our circle? 10. So our number is 10 plus what's our other group? 1 is outside the circle.
Equals 11.
It equals 11.
I was gonna say that.
Good. So Brayden, what is 8 plus 3?
11.
It's 11. It's the same thing.
What is 8 plus 8? 11.
No,
8 plus 8 is not 11.
Good.
8 plus 8
I see some very good math drawings.
8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. No, it's not. Because 8 plus 7 equals. I did it.
Does that make sense? Do you see why we're putting 2? Because that's how many we need to make 8 into a 10. Okay? Alright, let's erase and let's try it again.
I do whatever you do. 8 plus 3 equals
Jacob, why don't you come closer to me?
I didn't know that.
Join the circle. Join the party. Thank you. Alright, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
I'm not done. 6. 8 plus 6.
Alright. So I want you to draw your two groups
I'll say 16.
and find your 10.
I'll say 16.
But you saw that. Because think about it. How are you going to make your 10?
Oh, draw circles.
Yep, you got to draw your circles.
I just do all of the 6s without even looking.
Look at your two groups. Think about how you can make a 10. And then circle your 10. Alright, are you drawing in your half group? That's your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's draw 6.
Oh yeah, good.
How many more do we need to make a 10? So let's circle 2 and bring it up here with our 10. Now we have 10 and how many more? No, once you look at that one right there,
I'm gonna keep up.
1, 2, 3,
I'm gonna
4.
try.
Good, so now we have 10 plus 4. Can you write that?
There. There. Check. I can do it.
Do you know what 10 plus 4 equals?
No one even knows what it is.
Good job. Alrighty. Let's see, raise your hand if you know the answer. Tell me, Jacob. 14. So, I'm looking here, and I want to make a 10. What do I need to do, Leva? Yeah, I need to get, shh, eyes on me. I need to get 2 from the 6 and bring it over here to my 8. So I'm going to circle 2. So now I have 10 plus how many? 4. Which equals? 14. So Jack, what is 8 plus 6? It equals 14. Very good. Very good. Alright, is that all making sense? Okay.
Everything is the same thing, but it's just adding different numbers.
Because you know this would be a 3.
Everybody?
Alright, let's try the next one.
I have a quick question. If you do like this, it's all spread.
Ready?
No. Now we are. No.
Alright, I love people that have the clean boards and they've done what they've been asked to do. Okay, I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. You ready for it?
Yeah.
7 plus 8. Go and draw. Yes.
Eagles. I got an eagle. There's 3 right there. I saw it. I know what an eagle is. It makes 10.
Not 13.
I know what an eagle is. Is it 15? I wrote 7. Oh, that's down.
Oh, wait, yeah, this is 50. No,
I
you're
wrote
right.
7, not 2.
You did 8 plus. I'm just even now. How are you going to make a 10, baby? What can you do? Do what? Alright, so if I took 1 from the 8 and gave it to 7, would that make 10? Alright, so how can I make a 10? Okay, circle 3 more and go to your 7.
Oh, yes.
Now you have a 10 and what? Alright, let's see. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Bobby, it's 15. So, now there's 2 different ways that you could solve this one. So, let's see. Let's get somebody I haven't gotten yet. Lacey. Lacey, how did you solve this one? What did you do?
I used
Listen.
the 7 and circled the 3.
So did you hear what Lacey did? She looked at 7. Yeah, I know you couldn't because Declan and them over there keep making car noises. Give it back, whatever it is. And stop. Pay attention. She said she took 3 from the 8 and gave it to the 7. Now why would she do that? Emmanuel, why would she do that?
Because equal 10.
She made a 10 that way. Is that okay?
Yes.
You're still making a 10, so let's, if I did that, I would have 10 plus how many?
Plus 5.
5, right? I have the 5 group on top. 10 plus 5 equals
15.